In the fast-paced world of startups, turning an idea into a successful business requires more than just creativity. It demands strategic planning and effective execution. This video aims to outline a step-by-step approach to navigate the journey from ideation to implementation in the startup world. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or a seasoned professional, these strategies can help you bring your vision to life. 1. Ideation phase. Identify a problem. Start by identifying a problem or pain point in the market that you are passionate about solving. Conduct thorough market research and gather insights to validate the need for your solution. Brainstorm solutions. Once you have identified the problem, brainstorm potential solutions. Think outside the box and consider innovative approaches to address the issue. Validate your idea. Test your idea with potential customers to gather feedback and validate demand. This could involve creating prototypes, conducting surveys, or running pilot programs to gauge interest. 2. Market research. Understand your target audience. Conduct in-depth research to understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and behaviors. Identify key demographics and segments to tailor your product or service accordingly. Analyze the competition. Study your competitors to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and market positioning. Identify gaps in the market that you can capitalize on and differentiate your offering. 3. Business model. Define your value proposition. Clearly articulate the unique value proposition of your product or service. What sets you apart from the competition, and why should customers choose you? Choose a revenue model. Determine how you will monetize your offering. Whether it's through subscription fees, one-time purchases, or advertising revenue, choose a revenue model that aligns with your business goals. Calculate costs and financial projections. Estimate your startup costs, including product development, marketing, and operational expenses. Create financial projections to understand your revenue potential and break-even point. 4. Product development. Minimum viable product. MVP. Develop a minimum viable product with core features that address the primary needs of your target audience. Focus on delivering value quickly and iterate based on user feedback. Agile methodology. Adopt agile development practices to continuously iterate and improve your product. Break down the development process into smaller, manageable tasks and prioritize based on customer feedback and market demand. 5. Go-to-market strategy. Marketing and branding. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to create awareness and generate demand for your product or service. Utilize a mix of online and offline channels, including social media, content marketing, and influencer partnerships. Sales and distribution. Determine the most effective sales channels to reach your target customers. Whether it's through direct sales, partnerships, or e-commerce platforms, choose distribution channels that align with your target market. Customer acquisition. Implement strategies to acquire and retain customers, such as offering promotions, referral programs, and excellent customer support. Focus on building long-term relationships and creating value for your customers. 6. Scaling and growth. Scalability. Ensure that your business model and infrastructure are scalable to support growth. Anticipate potential challenges and bottlenecks, and proactively address them to accommodate increasing demand. Expansion opportunities. Explore opportunities for expansion into new markets or verticals. Leverage data and insights to identify untapped opportunities and strategically expand your business. Continuous innovation. Stay ahead of the competition by continuously innovating and evolving your product or service. Solicit feedback from customers and stakeholders, and invest in research and development to stay relevant in a rapidly changing market. Conclusion. Turning a startup idea into a successful business requires careful planning, execution, and perseverance. By following these strategies and staying agile in your approach, you can navigate the challenges of the startup journey and increase your chances of success. Remember to stay focused on your vision, listen to your customers, and never stop learning and adapting to the evolving market landscape. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe to stay updated on future content.